The Bell 360 Invictus is the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft solution for the Army's knife fighter platform. So it'll be armed, it has a dual pilot tandem cockpit configuration for very high speed flight and weapons deployment. One aspect of the 360 is that we designed this aircraft from the ground up to be fast. There is a tandem cruise station to streamline the shape of the aircraft. The weapons completely retract flush to the body of the aircraft. The landing gear retracts completely flush to the body of the aircraft. All this allows for the aircraft to fly over 180 knots, which is the Army's requirement. That will allow us to do the aircraft mission. It's an incredibly impressive feat, and it's one of the main drivers for the shape of the aircraft that you see today. The rotor system leverages lessons from the V-280. We are experts at rotors design. Again, there are parts of this that were also designed for high-speed flight. One of my favorite things, obviously, is the fly-by-wire flight control system. There is no mechanical linkage between the pilot's hands and the actuating robotics. It's fly-by-wire. So the brain of the aircraft, the software, is Bell designed, Bell tested on flight control computers that we have in the lab. All of it is fully representatively replicated, and that allows us to do a lot of nuanced and interesting things with respect to the flight control system and its degradations and failure modes, and also allows us to test all of that in the lab environment before we do anything in the aircraft. I'm thrilled to be part of this team and this company that has put so much emphasis on future vertical lift. I'm certain that our products will fulfill the Army's requirements and change the lives of all of the Army aviators and maintainers, my children's generation and beyond. It's a platform that I would be proud to have that generation working on, that generation operating, and I know it's going to give us, the United States, an enormous advantage in the field of combat.